At Sheffield Academy, we provide you with a comprehensive business management course full of tools and support you need to succeed in today's business world. By our experienced leaders who will guide you on your journey to pack yourself well for more management opportunities. Our business management course is crafted to align with all the master core principles to excel in the business development world, including deep training in project management, digital marketing, team leadership, data analysis, and financial management. These skills are mainly targeted by managers to improve, and we will help you to face the current challenges in the business industry. This business management course is meticulously designed to help students by focusing on developing the ability to make wise decisions, effective plans, and manage a team with agility and flexibility. You'll be able to apply knowledge through hands-on training programs using case studies, live projects, and simulations in the field of work, ensuring you're well prepared and grow quickly in the business world. In short, this program equips you as a student with all the practical skills and confidence needed to thrive in a global business environment.